Hello, welcome to this session on Microsoft Virtual Academy for Best Practices in Planning Hybrid Cloud Solutions. My name is Keith Mayer. I'm a Senior Technical Evangelist at Microsoft for private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud solutions that leverage Windows Server 2012 R2, Hyper-V, Windows Azure Infrastructure Services, and Microsoft System Center 2012 R2. After viewing this session, you can also find me online on my blog at keithmayer.com. Now, throughout the sessions that are part of this hybrid cloud series, we've been discussing Microsoft's Cloud OS hybrid solution. As a hybrid solution, we're all about providing choices to IT pros. Choices that allow IT pros to select the most appropriate way to handle application workload needs today, and choices that also allow you to easily move application workloads to new clouds down the road when new business requirements arise. Our hybrid cloud solution provides the ability to define and leverage private clouds in your existing on-premises data center side by side with public cloud platforms such as the Windows Azure Cloud Platform as an extension of your on-premises data center when additional capacity and scale is needed on demand to support application workloads. In addition, our hybrid cloud solution can also incorporate hosted clouds, clouds that are supported by service providers that are part of our Cloud OS network. Microsoft System Center 2012 R2 provides a unified management tool set across all these clouds, whether they're private or public or hosted clouds, so that you have a consistent experience for provisioning, managing, monitoring, protecting, and automating application workloads across all of the clouds that are part of your hybrid cloud strategy. So in this session, we'll be discussing planning hybrid clouds. We'll be reviewing tools, reference architectures, and additional resources that you can leverage to easily get started and help prepare yourself for a successful hybrid cloud rollout. Let's get started with assessing what we already have today in our environments. Assessing our current environment is a helpful part of the planning for many large IT initiatives. It certainly applies when we're planning to migrate to a hybrid cloud as well, because it helps prepare a baseline of what we already have today and help determine which applications are well suited to migrating to our clouds and provide initial input into how to approach that migration. To help in assessing cloud readiness for your current environment, Microsoft provides a free tool, the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Tool, or MAP. MAP is an agentless tool that can be installed and leveraged very quickly because it relies on the current management interfaces for discovering existing computers, performing an inventory, and generating an assessment. The latest version of MAP, MAP version 9, also includes two reports that are helpful when preparing for a hybrid cloud migration: a private cloud consolidation report and a Windows Azure VM readiness report. Let's take a look together at MAP and these reports in our lab. Okay, so here we are in our lab. I've already installed the Microsoft Assessment and Planning Toolkit, and I've brought up the Inventory and Assessment Wizard as one of the first steps in getting started with an assessment of our current environment. The first piece of information that I'm prompted for is to select one or more inventory scenarios. The inventory scenarios allow me to target specific workloads or capabilities within my existing environment that I wish the MAP tool to look at. It can include Windows computers,